Good morning, friends, and I hope you are all doing good. Uh, now that we have made the high, or we have crossed the previous all-time high of 18,887.6, and the current high is 19,011. We need to see how the market behaves, and first most foremost thing is this was very much manipulated. If you observe the India VIX on the expiry, it made initially 6%. It was totally manipulated. The market makers, if you notice, uh, sorry, this was the expiry 28th, uh, 29th, sorry, 29th, 28th, yes, 28th. If you observe, from 10.6950, they took it to 11.525. So why am I speaking about India VIX? Because India VIX is basically uh, the fear index also. And if you have more observations, please do share your comments on the comment box below. There are a lot of factors about India VIX. There are a lot of ways of trading of India VIX, which we will also share. So totally, the market was manipulated. They made the premiums high, and in matter of minutes, the premiums died down. So all the people who are trading in options or writers basically were making a lot of money. So this was totally a manipulation, which you can clearly observe with the VIX being manipulated. Also, if you observe, Nifty actually moved very well. Let's look at the Nifty chart. Nifty moved very well. If you see, from 18,865 it went to 1911, whereas Bank Nifty, of course, did move, but the movement was slightly on. Uh, uh, we wouldn't say did not move as per the uh, Nifty. Nifty 0.8%, whereas Bank Nifty was 0.4547%. So today's selection for stocks, let me look. Let's look at those. So I'm looking at ICICI Bank. Once the 940 call moves above 21, I would be looking to go long for targets of 28 to 34, and then HCL 1170 call. Once this moves above 36.5, I'm looking at targets of 44 to 50 plus. Simpla is like, also we are looking at the call side and put side, of course. Simpla 1000 moves about 34, and we're looking at targets of 40 plus. Tata Consumer, we are looking at 860 call and put. If 860 call moves about 24, my targets is 30 to 34 plus. And if in case the put side moves about 23, 860 put, because the market is slightly biased in that way, we are keeping the both, we're keeping the both in the watch list. And mind you, if the price, if I'm mentioning as 23, the price has to move from 20 below, that is from 21 or 22, and then cross above this 23. It has to go 23.1 or 23.2 at least for us to enter the trade. So most important factor is the, and not, it should not come from 24 downwards. This is, no, we do not trade this at all. So keep this in mind. A lot of people have come back and saying, "Sir, it came from top touch 23 and moved up. I took it, but then hit the stop loss." No, it is not valid. Price has to come from below. Secondly, we are also looking, I think, Tata Motors. Tata Motors also We are also looking at 590 put. We are slightly bullish. We might enter in case it moves above 19.9. Couple of other stocks, Glenmark, we're looking at 680 plus. Indigo, we are holding this in equity. Targets of 2,750. Let's see how far it goes. Polycab is a very good stock for not just intraday, for as a good asset. If you see, it has grown from 2019, it has gone to 3,600 levels in a short span. Uh, Adani stocks has been doing extremely well. We will be also be looking at those stocks. Now we are today is Sensex expiry, so we thought we will make what do you call a video or how share what strikes to be traded. So Sensex 64,000 call if this moves about 210, then targets of 260. And making this video of how to look at right strike price because the quantity traded in Sensex is very low. You will not find this in Sensible. So don't look at if you type Sensex, you will not get here. So you have to, or you will not find it in the NSE website. Rather have to go to Google, type Sensex expiry. You will get the BSC website and choose the right expiry 30th today. Let's choose index options. Now there is no, if you see here, there is no quantity being traded. So we have to look at the most important part, which is the traded quantity and the bid and offer prices. So if you go to 64,000 is highly traded, 1950 highest, and 64,500 the other strike price, which is highly traded. On the put side, it is 63,500, which is 2,000. So you can look at the traded quantity. Don't look at too far away strikes. It is better to take in the money or at the money. So this is the most important factor I thought I should be mentioning. So thanks all for joining, and uh, please do like. I'm sure you will. I'm normally getting likes of 10 to 12, 15, and I'm sure you will continue doing the same. Please do share our channel, and once we cross the 1,200 or 1,500 mark, we will have more videos on how to trade using India VIX, and some price action videos as well. Thank you all. If you have any queries, please do ask, and we'll be happy to help. Uh, and so let us look at HDFC Bank, and possibly Reliance, how they're placed. Reliance, in fact, moved on the expiry. It just took, it came inside this, what you can say, trend line or trend line support or whatever you call it as. Now it was slightly on it was moving down below this, and now it is inside. So we're hoping this will continue to 2,500 to 2,600 levels. So thank you all for joining. God bless you all. Take care. Love you all.